And here's I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android phone. So if you're trying to connect a Wi-Fi network and you're facing, first of all, let's follow this first option. Go to your Android phone settings and tap on Wi-Fi or connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. And here from Wi-Fi settings page, tap on this three dot. Tap on advanced settings. Manage networks. And now tap on the Wi-Fi name you are trying to connect. Tap on forget. And once you successfully forget the network, go back to Wi-Fi main page. And here you will find the Wi-Fi name. Tap on that. And now go ahead and re-enter the Wi-Fi password and check the issue. If you're still having the same problem, in this case, we have to reset our Wi-Fi network settings. To do that, go to your phone settings and in your settings app, go down and tap on general management. Go down, tap on reset, and here tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on reset settings. After that, go ahead and try to reconnect the Wi-Fi and this solution will fix the error. Thanks for watching.